It's March 27, 2022. Out here working on the boat. First thing we did was we greased the wheel bearings. That's what that blue stuff is. And we greased our gimbal bearing. Little grease circle right there. Supposed to help your gimbal out. Grease that one. Grease that one. Goes on the tilt and trim sensor. Grease that one. My little things are rotten. And of course you want to grease that one. So the next little project here, we're going to strap our battery strap back in because my retainers have come out. You want to strap your battery down, people. So we'll get on that. Get the battery back in. There ain't much shade out here today, but it's time to get the boat hopefully going. So I gotta find my battery strap. Right here somewhere. Yeah, every year. Sometimes twice a year. It's not a bad idea to grease your stuff. Make sure your battery's in there and it's bolted down good. Air up them tires. Test fire your engine. De-winterize the boat. Check the fuel filter. Or check the oil's good. Check the timing. It does have points in it, so I'm going to check the timing curve. Fire it up in my bucket. Got a bucket right over there I use. Might as well just go ahead and bring it over here now. Got a nice little bolt in it there to drain it out. Because you don't want to pick up on this bucket when it's full. Pretty heavy. And I'm probably going to pull the prop because that makes the test fire easier. That way I can run my throttle, and when my engine speed gets higher I can check my advance on my distributor to see if my advance weights are working and my springs are working. So hopefully I won't have to do any distributor work. It's not a vacuum controlled distributor, so it's just got advance weights. It don't go like a car, but it sort of does. It's a water car with no wheels. Anyway, God bless out here by the shade tree. From the 405, nice sunny day. It's pretty, little windy. My neighbor's beef. Oh, we're all sitting on the new fence. Later.